Hello and welcome to A-Reliable Craftsman and my client and her family. We're selecting some products for her new deck for entertainment, and also this is the area where we're going to be erecting a new fence all the way around the perimeter and installing a garage and new concrete. So, my name is Curtis. I am one of the proprietors at A-Reliable Craftsman. As you can see, we have our equipment prepared for measurements, and we have our walk ruler so we can go long distances without having to bend down or not get to the finish line because our ruler doesn't go the extent. So it's very important to have these equipment, these tools, to help you, to assist you as you produce information that needs to be documented to complete a project. 708-654-1823. You're looking at the incubation stages of a fantastic project that will be completed to customer specifications that we are developing for her as we speak. Look at them. Oh wow, those are beautiful. Which one do you like?
Probably with the gray. Probably the gray will probably look better with the white.
I knew you was going to do it.
Right.
Yeah. Because I just heard him say white trim, right?
Right.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah. Gray.
Your deck's going to go from end to end, right? And come out 8 feet.
Right.
All right? Here, let me show you where 8 feet is.
Yeah.
So we can have a good perspective on the size. And so we're going to do from there to, 8 feet right here. Because we have to attach a plate to the house, so it's 8 feet. So, all right, so now, this is the issue we have. All right, so this is the issue we have, team. So what I propose is right in here, right, to come out 12. Just a small section that, you know, a DJ or, you know, singer or whatever, I mean, away from your floor of your guests. Don't forget you're on ground level, so you don't have railings. There's no railing. You will have posts that will have your LED lights, okay? So you'll be able to walk right off the deck at any point on the deck without hurting yourself because you're on the ground. It's 25 feet, and that was 20, so this is our other 5.
Right.
Let me double check. Right on the money.
Right. Right.
Right on the money. Except we're going to have to stay with the step. Yeah, right here.
Right here.
So nobody
Right.
can trip.
Right.
That's correct. So we got 25 feet long, okay?
Right.
And then 8 feet out, which is right here.
Right.
But then when we get about...
Here, you wanted to take it
yeah,
out.
just take it out a little bit.
Right.
Before it's going to come out, let's
Right.
see, 4 feet.
Right.
I wanted to divide the 2 areas, so if we did, I was hoping to do at least, I thought maybe 7.
7?
Yeah, okay, better. So let's see what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come from here and go to about, that's 8 feet. So 8 and 8 is 16. So at 25, that would leave almost, well, yep, 16. That would leave 9 feet. So from here, 9 feet would be right here.